We've come to the spice factory, an original set of buildings where various spices are produced by hand before distribution. These sheds are used to dry and store the leaves and nuts, and visitors are encouraged to come and see how spices are obtained. There are more spices grown per square mile in Grenada than anywhere on the planet. Cloves, mace, cinnamon, cocoa and ginger among them, but by far the most abundant is nutmeg, and Grenada produces a third of the world's supply, and it is the island's biggest export. The nutmeg actually yields 3 crops. The outer mace, which covers the nutmeg, is revealed when the kernel is split open, and after a thorough washing to remove any impurities, is left to dry in the sun, before being sorted by hand into first, second and third grades. The nutmegs are placed on drying trays until ready to send to market. The whole spice selling operation is handled by a workers' cooperative, with every grower, large or small, bringing their produce to several stations around the island, and they are paid according to weight and quality. The nutmegs are then bagged ready to be sent upstairs to dry, either on the floor or in racks.
So now this nutmeg here, we just dry by the natural air. So we use a wooden rake so we can turn it around so then the air can pass through and keep it dried. After it's properly dried, then remove it from the racks, place it into the sacks and carry it to the machine to remove the salted shells.
The mace is stored in large bins ready for distribution. Once the machine has cracked the shells, workers downstairs finish the shelling by hand.